You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to end. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are a heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. Anyone that big up on the jam self sin. I hope this vlog you find in the best of health. You don't know. Stay safe and walk good. Now, my viewers and subscribers, in this vlog, you don't know we have I'm on a pray in the rain, pray for the violence we end, and I pray for your families and friends. And also a mechanic from Hanover give up his freedom, he got busted, and I'm telling you that made me feel so disgusted. You see me? Yes, man. And also Uganda, big up Red Snapper, you know, and Uganda crying out for help. They need support. Zine. And also Spice, Jano Spice. I say you're going in the Hartford, Connecticut. My viewers and subscribers, after the break. If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? Just be thankful and grateful. Your claims that people are watch, chat, judge and criticize you. So what? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know Battlefield, that's my song. You can go check it out and stream it and download it. It's about depression and it's about staying strong. Thanks for staying. You know what I mean? I don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. The more you click the bell, the more the channel go out there on YouTube. See, so you know, like it up and it is interested the topic, so other people will see it and get inspired and motivated and discover the channel. See? Yeah, man, I don't know, big up on the damn self. I don't know. The support is, you know what I mean? I'm nothing. You see me I say? Yeah, musically and vlogically. Is that a word? Vlogically. Yo, boy, I'm so like LA Lewis today. So big up LA Lewis. See, now we kick it off with Red Snapper, you know, and this person in Uganda asking for help, you know what I mean? Big up Red Snapper. Red Snapper reached out to me, you know, well, I got a call the other day from someone in Africa, but I couldn't understand the person properly, you know. And so me get kind of jiggy and alerted, and you know what I mean? I know I've been scammed several times, yeah. So I tell them say wrong number. I said wrong number, not knowing that the person was related to Red Snapper who gave them my contact, you know, to reach out so I can put it on the platform, because it's not the first time I'm doing it. So this is some person crying out for help in Uganda, you know what I mean? And they need people that suffer all over the world, my viewers and subscribers. So make me hear Red Snapper I say, and big up Red Snapper Promotions. You see me I say, and you know, yeah, and I'm gonna make on the hear with the lady I say. You see me? Yeah, man. So here I go.
Good afternoon, Ras. I'm Mark, Mr. Lionfoot. The other day, this lady named Doreen, I've been sending money down to Uganda to help her feed these kids that have been orphaned by their family members. They have no family at all. Some of them are in the hospital because they're born with tumors. Some of them are disabled, and a lot of them aren't even disabled, but their parents left them behind. And she's got some old people that in Uganda, they don't care about those people. I've been sending money to Uganda to help her, and she's been buying food to feed the kids, and I'm trying to get other people to donate to help save these kids in Uganda. So I gave her your phone number. I just want to know if you could blog about it, you know what I mean? Let her do a voice note saying exactly what they need help with and try to get them some help.
I'm Namlavia Doreen from Uganda. I'm 27 years old. I have an orphanage which cares for children, for orphaned children, elders. We kindly request for any support. We don't have basic needs. For example, housing, education, food, clothing, and medical care. So in case anyone there has the ability to support us, we kindly request for the support. And my WhatsApp number is +256 752 34 08 57. Thank you very much. We really appreciate for the support. Thank you. We love you.
Boy, you know, sad, yes, sad. You know, big up Red Snapper same way and thing. Yeah, man. The person did call me, but as me say, me did kind of weary and suspicious because I couldn't understand what I say properly. And you know, I asked them who give them a number and thing, you know. But yeah, they never mention any name. You see me? So I say wrong number and cut off the call. So right now when I reach back and everything, click back. You see me? So I don't know. You can hear the despair in the lady voice, you know. She need help, and you know people are suffering all over Africa because right now I have a family, a friend, you know, who more time I say I look at things go give no one then, but from where they we couldn't say nothing because things kind of slow. I don't know a whole heap of ties me have on my shoulder right now. You see me? A whole heap of ties, and to me it's a clean heart youth and enough people are linked me and I reach out, but me can only can do what me can do, yeah, man, because my youth them come first, and you know. So from where I never get to say nothing in Gambia. Is me big up Jimmy same way. Just go and wallet man, I soon up again. And anytime I'm up, I don't know the family I go up again. Same, you receive now a bag of rice. So me I say. Now my viewers and subscribers, when you see the number, you can go help and support if you can. Please, you know me I beg you, link up the number there, Zane, and I link up Red Snapper. And you know that's WhatsApp number of the person in Uganda. You can go and link them up. If I even not make you small. You see me, or in a whole clothes, or them need help. You know, Africa, that anything we can offer them need it. Same? Yeah, man, so I don't know. Big up Red Snapper Promotions once more. And you don't know, that's what the platform is for. Now. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell if you need help where we can put it out on the platform. I will kindly, happily love to do so. You see what I say? Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell and share the content. What I generally are praying at the rain, crime and violence at Jamaica is so despicable and deplorable, you know what I mean? Watch your ear, man, I pray in the rain.
Peter, Father God, I pray for you. Please, help you them do a thing some therapy. And my brother and my sister, but you don't want to see no bloodshed, Father God. And I beg you, Father God. I'm place them love so much. The whole thing some therapy. From Maxfield, able to Maxfield, stop. From Sunlight Hill to Ramsey Road, to John Road, to Pistol Avenue, Nelson Road. All of the road them, me I tell them, please, Father God, me I pray for you, them no want to, no more youth dead. No more youth dead, Father God. Me I tell them, either the week and the black clothes. I'm tired to say R.I.P. Me get a long live my Father God. Me get a long live like some king and some queen and some princess, Father God. Me I beg you, God. Please help you, them no want to do something, and them want to violence and that from God. And Andrew won't open up gun get and tomorrow everybody will pray. Make me say, amen.
Amen. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, so the man I pray in the rain. Man I pray for the violence to end start. No more. Yo, no whole but people dead since year start, you know. Fly past last year, you know. Zine. And that's what them for, when the government them for concern, but I'm concerned more about pushing the agenda. You know when I talk already. You see me? My viewers and subscribers. Pray for the family and the friends. I pray for you to the violence start. It's there everywhere, you know. It's there everywhere, in every country. But Jamaica right now, lockdown and people still are dead. People are dying, flying. You see my viewers and subscribers. So big up that generally we are playing in the rain. You see what I say? Yes, a joy, you know, and hopefully God can answer your prayer, but that is a hard task. You see me? I beg the youth them to stop the crime. You see what I say? My viewers and subscribers, stop the crime in Jamaica star. It might be tough and rough, but there's better ways out. There's a way out. See? Yes. Next, my viewers and subscribers, I see this in the article today. I said, John Ostad, a man I gave him freedom, a fool man, this, you know. Zine, Hanover mechanic car trying to smuggle $55,000 of worth of cocaine in America. In that time, see, in August the 21st. A mechanic who attempted to board a flight at the Sangsa International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James, after allegedly swallowing cocaine, has been arrested and slapped with multiple charges for attempting to import cocaine to the United States of America. You hear that? Yes, Papa, what going? Mr. Beck. Yeah, man, can give people a shout out, man. Yeah, man, big up, Mr. Beck, in a Lala Beck, in a big up, big up, big up. Zed. Now, my viewers and subscribers, you saw that man a fool. In a them time, I turn yourself in a mule. I say, fool. Yo, me I say, John was star. Why may I tell you? Yo, right now, if you do them things in America right now, is a big risky run. 99% you're going to get bust because the man them have some technology and some machine right now. You see me? We detect anything when you put it in. If you put it in, if you get where, you're lucky, you're lucky. The man them have something right now we detect anything, or if you put it in a camera or anything, man, it will detect the form and the shape because I see it operate. I've been in the room and I see it operate. You see me? I see how the machine them operate. You see me? Look here, what you cover it up with? Papa, give thanks, you know. Look here, you cover it up with. You see me? Once them detect a look shape where look unfamiliar or unrecognized, them a dig it down. Where's your body, them a see everything inside now your intestine. So right now you gonna do that. I don't know how much money you get for go do that, but right now wrong move that. Right now you're nasty road for now, you're gone. Zine, if you need to get where, yeah, $55,000, the person who must pay you for do that. You see me? Right now if I run them risk to my viewers and subscribers, I'm running for myself. No man. After I'm not fool. You see me? If I run them risk there, or if I sell it, cut it up and do with them things there. You see me? I do it myself. I don't run a risk for no man at them time. Yeah? You see me? So I saw Papa, yeah, if I do the crime, just prepare to do the time. I saw me see it. But I don't want to think about that, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness. Now, my viewers and subscribers, big up Grace Hamilton. You know if you save the best for last. Big up Grace Hamilton. Yo, Grace Hamilton. You see me? Yo, watch your spice I go out with it. The rest now left spicy now.
I'm in a romantic mood. I'm talking. Because the rock got me up in the corner. And he was here on the one. Because the rock got me up in the and he was here on the one. One Bridgeport, Connecticut. Ladies, how you feeling? Banana, are you pretty? Or I'm nice and clean? You know what I like how they close to the stage. And ladies, I'm not ask you. I bet this for my life. I can't come close to now and not spend nothing on blood clot on you. Drop the next one. But don't matter where you are, but you are. But it's a trouble, it's a trouble. But how you can I come here? And I want you to be my dear, and I go.
Yo, you see how Spice deal in the stage show? You see all the rats there? And the rats come like you now left Spice and hitch! The outfit they with Spice are man sexy and ratted. Yo, turn up. You see me? Yo. Yeah man, big up Spice. Spice I sure you say she have it lock, performance lock. As usual, that is why she's the queen. You know what I mean? Yeah, and you know, she interact with the crowd, man. She still a split, she still can dance, foot gone up. Yo, what a sitting on the bedroom with the Rassi Spice. Yeah, man, big up the girl that can work, you know. Big up the girl that boring, you know. Yeah, man, big up Spice Grace Hamilton. Spice make a show says she's still the queen and she still a dominate the stage show with them, you know. And thing. And no matter why, I don't know, I have to give credit where credit is due. And big up Spice. I don't know. You see me, a lion for another vlog. And the first time I meet Spice and I say, what? So she shot 2017 at Cap Brempen, Wapping Thursday. Then I meet she and Lal. Them time she and Lal was together. The first time I meet them, you see me? So yeah man, big up Spice and big up everybody, big up Lal and big up the Rasta man and big up the whole world. You see me I say? I don't know a lion foot. I'm gone. See? I'm out.